You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names, the name of this company, and Internet, Television and Consumer Electronics Company. If you want to learn more brand names that can be a bit confusing and there are many mispronounced, stay tuned. I've got many more videos I'll link for you. Xumo, yes, I know the spelling, it's Xumo, but the pronunciation is more like with a Z at the beginning, or a Z. Xumo, right? So it's not Xumo or Xumo. Xumo. It's easy once you know Xumo, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.